will not sleep until I complete them. Just a switching butterfly.
Hello, namaste, and welcome to my first ever long format video on this channel. I'm gonna be finishing the entire syllabus of AFM in 5 days. The plan actually is to complete 2 practical chapters and 1 theory chapter on each of these 5 days. And for Forex, I'm gonna be doing Forex on a daily basis. I'm also gonna be doing audit on a daily basis in these 5 days. So stay tuned to see कि मैं इसे complete कर पाती हूँ कि नहीं. On that note, let's get into the video.
हेलो, इट्स 6 PM नाउ एंड आज का मेरा टारगेट मैंने कंप्लीट कर लिया है एक्सेप्ट ऑडिट एंड फॉरेक्स एंड आई एम गोना बी राइटिंग अ स्मॉल टेस्ट टू चेक, सो आई विल कीप यू अपडेटेड. अपडेट टाइम. सो अभी 12:30 बज रहे हैं रात के और मैंने आज के मेरे सारे टारगेट्स कंप्लीट कर लिए हैं. एक्चुअली आज के टारगेट्स वर थोड़े इजी एज़ कम्पेयर जो आगे आने वाले टारगेट्स हैं, बट एग्ज़ाम को बहुत कम दिन बाकी है यार. सो आई हैव डिसाइडेड कि जब तक मैं मेरे डेली टारगेट कंप्लीट नहीं कर लेती मैं सोऊंगी नहीं तब तक. सो लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज़ आगे, बट सो फार सो गुड. एक्चुअली मैं सब रिकॉर्ड इसलिए कर रही हूँ टू फील अकाउंटेबल एंड दिस कोर्स is meant to make you feel lonely, so do whatever keeps you going. Actually the problem with me is कि मैं रात को जल्दी सो ही नहीं पाती हूँ कितना भी मैं ट्राई कर लूँ. So I just play a podcast or audit lecture in a background and fall asleep to that. I don't know it's healthy or not, but it works for me. I live for coffee. आज का टारगेट है derivatives and security valuation, which is quite a big chapters, both of them. So wish me luck. Hey, it's 7 PM of day 2 and I was going to update my targets. I'm a person who needs a plan ready like all the times. I cannot function without a proper plan. Otherwise, I just keep on procrastinating things and then I regret. So I plan everything on Google Calendar. तो I thought कि मैं ये process share करती हूँ. Also, my targets नहीं हुए अब तक complete. But as I said, I will not sleep until I complete them. So let's go. So firstly, I add all the tasks in this task वाला section and I then move them जिस दिन में मेरे को complete करना है particular targets like this. अगर किसी दिन मेरा target complete नहीं होता है तो I can move them like this, like on other day. So if you go in this week section, then you will just see all the targets like this and you can still move them around as per your wish. I have planned for next 5 days. ये मैंने complete कर लिया है तो I will mark them, complete, like this. You can also plan a test here, like this, like an event. I will put test, like this, and then the test is added here. 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. If I want to do AFM, I'll plan this and this and move my targets around it. ये तो मैंने काफ़ी briefly दिखा दिया, but I can literally make an entire video on how I plan on Google Calendar. I think I just love Google Calendar. I think I just love planning. Of day 4 and as you can see on my face I feel exhausted. Day 3 के मेरे targets मैंने अभी complete करे हैं क्योंकि as I said कल के pending थे and अभी day 4 के targets जब complete हो जाने चाहिए थे अभी मैं start करी हूँ day 4 के targets को. I don't know, I just feel very disappointed खुद से. Hello, we are back after a dirty mental breakdown and now we are back on track. So अभी I think 24 hours बाकी है अपने challenge के, maybe more than that, more than a day. So we are going to cram for the next day and complete as much as we can. All the best. One thing I'm not proud of is my sleep cycle. Like it's absolutely messed up. I'm not an early bird, not a night owl, just a switching butterfly. Hey, good morning. This is the last day of completing FM and also the last day of challenge. कुछ targets complete हो चुके हैं and some are still pending. We still have 24 hours though, so let's complete jitna bhi we can.
Some days I hit my targets, some days I didn't, and all I can see is consistency and progress. I'm ending this week tired, grateful, and still standing. I didn't complete everything I planned, but I completed enough to move forward. This video honestly is less about content and more about documentation. I started recording this for myself to stay accountable, to remember how this phase actually feels. Even if this stays here quietly with no views, it helped me show up even on the hard ones. And if you are watching and trying too, I'm rooting for you.